Welcome to our video on what business licenses are needed in Minnesota, presented by startingyourbusines.com. This video is a part of a series of videos on starting a business in Minnesota. Starting a business in Minnesota may require licenses or permits from a variety of several city, county, state, and federal agencies. This video is a brief overview of the most common licenses, permits, and registrations a business may need, but it may not include all of the ones needed for your business. More detailed information and links to all of the agencies mentioned in this video are on startingyourbusines.com. The first registration you may need to get is the Employer Identification Number, sometimes known as an EIN, with the Internal Revenue Service. This is a unique identification number for a business, much like what a Social Security number is for a person. Businesses that are required to register include sole proprietorships with employees, partnerships, corporations, or LLCs. If you are a sole proprietorship with no employees, you can simply use your Social Security number. You can apply directly at irs.gov, and there is no cost to get the number. Getting the number takes only about 5 minutes, and if you have questions, we have a video on how to apply for an EIN on our site. Next, there is no general state business license in Minnesota, but there are some industries that are required to register. A variety of businesses and professions in the state are regulated, such as restaurants, childcare, accountants, caterers, and many more. Also, if you sell tangible personal property and certain services in Minnesota, you will need to register for a sales and use tax license from the Minnesota Department of Revenue. Last, at the local level, some municipalities may require a business license or have requirements for certain professions, zoning, construction, signage, liquor licenses, etc. Make sure your business secures all licenses in advance of finalizing a location, as some will take some time to get approval. Finding the correct person to talk with in your community may take a few calls, but just start by contacting your town's mayor, city hall, or economic developer and let them know you plan on starting a business and if you need to register. Don't be worried in calling, as they will want to help bring in new businesses, since businesses bring jobs and tax revenue to the community. For more information on how to get a business license for your business in Minnesota, check out startingyourbusines.com. If you like this video on what business licenses are needed in Minnesota, be sure to watch the others in the Starting a Business in Minnesota series. Starting a business can be difficult, but you don't have to do it on your own. The startingyourbusines.com site has lots of information to help get your business started, and we have experienced business advisors ready to answer your questions at no cost.